Hi, my name's Nick. A couple of weeks ago, some of you may remember, I posted a new thread at Tech Power Up regarding the purchase of a used water chiller. Now, this water chiller may have been used in an aquarium in the past, which means that could potentially wreak havoc in my water cooling loop as far as dirt and salt and waste is concerned. So I tossed around a couple of ideas about how I was going to effectively flush and clean the water chiller, as well as my components, which I haven't had a chance to clean since I started water cooling about 5 months ago. So anyway, I tossed a couple of ideas around, obviously with the chiller in mind, and the post did have quite a lot of interest. It had about, it was about 1,400 views. So I thought I would make this video just to show everybody what I ended up deciding on, what I ended up doing in the end. So here it is. So what we have here then is a simple reverse osmosis water filtration system. This one I grabbed from eBay for £17, which is about 19-20 US dollars. So I'll just show you how that is set up then. So you've got my pump and reservoir there. So the water comes out my pump and reservoir, out the back of the machine, and then it comes up here and into the water chiller, and then back out the water chiller, back round, back inside the machine, and comes straight into my EVGA classified graphics card. Out the graphics card and into the processor, then out the processor and round into the reverse osmosis water filter, and then back into the reservoir again. Now, some of you might be wondering, I wonder how much the restriction is, I wonder how much restriction this is causing on the system. Well, some of you might have even been concerned how much restriction the water chiller would have caused on the system alone. The chiller actually has a 4-litre water tank. So just to demonstrate that actually I haven't really experienced bad flow as a result of this at all. So just to show that, I've actually got Prime 95 running. As you can see, every core is fully maxed out. My temperature is only on the CPU at 47 degrees. That's running at about 1.5 volts as well. And my chiller, I actually only set that to 19 degrees. I know a lot of you chillers sort of beginning to borderline on extreme cooling. So I thought if I set it to 20, it would be more realistic in terms of what the average user would be able to, or what the average user probably has set up. So yeah, quite an effective system. I'll just open up my water reservoir and let you see how clear the water is. I'll just need to put the phone down for 2 seconds while I open this up. Still here. So there we go. You can just see how clear nice and clear that water is in there. Now before I had the filter, that was filthy. The filter that is actually in my reverse Motus casing is good up to 5 microns, so I don't know if you can see that there, so it's good, it's perfectly good for salt, dirt, sand, and even rust particles as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way this has all worked out. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.